Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So आज हो है 10th of January and अभी बज रहे हैं 2:30. It's a Monday morning and ऑफिस का काम स्टार्ट हो गया था but ऑफिस का काम करते करते and lunch करते करते I had like some 5-10 minutes, so I thought I'll do like a quick log in terms of what we did for this entire week. So Omicron has actually set in. बहुत से cases आ रहे हैं and nothing different at our end as well. Me and my family was also having very bad cough. Thankfully, RT-PCR test has turned out to be negative, but we are still taking precautions. जैसा कि आप सुन सकते हैं मेरा गला बिल्कुल बैठा हुआ है कोई रिलीफ नहीं है and I didn't want to be sad इस बारी because COVID-1, COVID-2 जो 2 साल से चलता आ रहा है उससे there has been a lot of demotivation that has been going across, and what I wanted to do was that even if you're at home, make it a time for yourself when you are doing different sort of things, and when you want to plan your things if you're not able to go out and meet your loved ones. And surprisingly I was a little lucky because I was able to meet my parents, meet my folks, celebrate New Year with them, meet my sister, celebrate the Shara with her. So I'm somehow my base is covered, but you still feel bad that you're not being able to connect to larger people, and things are getting confined again. So ये ब्लॉग बहुत ही impromptu है as always मेरे सारे अजीबोगरीब ब्लॉग्स के जैसे, and the reason why I wanted to do this sort of a chat was कि what am I doing these days and what's keeping me busy. So firstly because it's 2022's first year, like everybody else, जैसे बहुत सारे resolutions बनते हैं वैसे even I am trying hard to pen down certain things that I would want in my personal life in 2022. Things that I need to work on, things that I would like to learn, things that I would like to improvise. Very basic things, nothing very exponential कि भैया दुनिया जीत जाना and all that. Very basic, such as probably having 8 hours of sleep every day, which back in the time 2021 and 2020 as well, I have really lacked on sleep because I have 2 beautiful cats जो रात में मुझे उठा देती है कभी कभी, and also because I was into a lot of Korean content, बहुत K dramas I used to watch, because of which I used to like continuously binge watch them, and at times I used to sleep at 3 and 4. So I've stopped that, and this entire new year thankfully I've had a good record wherein I'm sleeping at a good time, I'm waking up at a good time, and I feel fresh. So sleeping is the first agenda that I'm doing. Not overthinking so much is the second one that I want to focus on. I don't want to make myself so emotionally available to people कि लोग आए and say different things to you and you feel bad about it. So even अगर हल्का सा भी मुझे बुरा लगता है किसी भी चीज़ पे, I stop thinking about it. If it's bedtime, I go off and sleep. Just sleep over it. That's it. That's my rule too. And वैसे तो there are lots of it, but a few of it which I thought I'll mention is like writing to myself every day, probably tidbits, little things that you want to do, penning down what you want every month. I feel if you write it or if you put it on your Notion pad or Evernote, whichever app you use, you keep looking at it तो आपको चीज़ें याद रहती हैं, तो आपका organization skills in turn बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. And I am no organization skills guru, and there are lots of people you can follow on YouTube. But essentially, if you write more and more stuff with yourself, then you're a little more clearer कि directionally आपको कहाँ जाना है. This actually I have really taken from people abroad. इंडिया में या for that matter हमारे अगल बगल के सोसाइटी में a lot of people talk to a lot of people. तो बहुत सारा टाइम चला जाता है डिस्कस करने के लिए कि इसने ये कर दिया उसने वो कर दिया, and I think I'm not structurally wired to do all that conversation. I like to spend more time with myself. I like to read beautiful things, like to be more with myself and my vibe. So that's something I want to propagate in 2022 as well. Because if you spend more time with yourself, you'll know what kind of person you want to be. And I particularly want to focus on that all the time. So that's something that I'm doing, organizing my thoughts. What do I want to do? And the plans are very basic in nature. Probably pick that language that I, left learning midway. Probably read 2 books a month. Probably just spending 10 minutes on an unwind app or, a meditation app every day. Probably trying to read one poem and derive its meaning every day. So, very beautiful, basic things that, everybody can do in their life. Probably eating more of protein and less of carbs to remain fitter, eat more of fiber. So, things like that. So, I know that the time is really tough, and I hope and pray to God that none of you feel bad or affected. Everybody is strong in it together and we come out well. But my only submission and my only thought for this video was that these are some things that I'm doing to cheer myself up. And hopefully, after many, many moons or after many, many years, if somebody is watching this video and if it's still helpful to you, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. I'll feel very happy that it came to any of your assistance. Stay safe, be well, and hopefully next time when I'll be back, I will be having new frames, because today I went to the doctor to get my eye test check done because I was having tremendous headache and body ache for the last 10 days. I thought मेरा power बढ़ गया है. Thankfully, power तो नहीं बढ़ा था, but I got a new frame in turn. So the next time you meet me, I'll be in the different frame, more nerdy looking frame. Tell me how it looks good on me or not. Okay? Take care. See you. Bye-bye.